Hey everybody, it's Neil, and it's been cold lately, and so I still want to be doing my exercise, and I still like to go outside sometimes. So I picked up these here. These are going to be some cold, like a little running glove kind of thing. So I'll show you guys how these things are. They are these like this. You can push the little button to separate them, so it's kind of nice so you can store them together. It says, boy, it's hard to read, R-O-A-M, roaming. It says roaming on it. And then it's got the little button on there, like this finger here is touchscreen able, so you can, while you're running, you can still use that. So, and I kind of got these, I think they're like liners maybe that go inside of other gloves or whatever, but look at that. So now I can have some gloves on, I can go for a run, I can use my phone, I am good to go. So how cool is that? So I can actually keep these on there, super comfortable, they're really soft. You can feel them there. They've got grip material here so they can grip. So if I'm riding my bike or something like that, I can actually use it on there. Or if I pick something up, it's not going to slip out of my hand unless I want it to. And then the back is just soft fabric. So really cool and comfortable. Let me show you up close a little bit here. So this is it. So it's got a good elastic cuff. And then it's got the little logo, which is they made of that sticky plasticky stuff. The front is that it's got those little marks all over it. And then on this finger here, this is your touch screen. And when I touch it on there, it does work. So it's definitely a touch screen. And so that's what that little nub there does. So super cool. I'm going to say this is a nice little gloves, and it's by Roaming. And so pick some of these up and you'll be happy with them.